And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to recreate the shutter icon in Illustrator. Let us create a circle, hold shift to drag a perfect circle, we make it black, no stroke. We center it and now we use the polygon tool. Just type on your canvas, on your artboard. Make sure you've got 6 sides and then center it, we'll make it white and then resize it a little bit. Hold shift and alt so that it keeps the proportions. Maybe that was too big. I'll downsize it a little bit once again. Hold shift and alt to do so. So now we're good to go. Let's activate the line segment tool. Get to the anchor point, hold it and then drag it upwards. Make sure you've got 120 degrees so that it fits the line. We give it a white stroke in this case and I'll make it bigger, maybe to 5 points. Let me zoom out so that you can see properly. Now I press Ctrl R to get the rulers and then I drag these guidelines that will help me. I'm going to center everything by selecting it and then dragging the center point to the center point of the guidelines. Now I'll make sure that I have only the line segment selected and I activate the rotate tool. I go to the center point, hold Alt and left click. And now I'll use the copy button. Make sure you've got 60 degrees as we want to have 6 line segments and then press Ctrl D to repeat the process. You can select everything now, go to Object, Path and Outline Stroke. And now we'll activate the Shape Builder tool. And we'll simply click on the 6 elements of the logo. And now we can get rid of the line segments. So select them and simply delete them. And the middle element, we don't need that. And we'll make the rest black. Click on the middle segment, make it white. And we are already done. Obviously you have to group it if you want to work with it, so right click and then group. The logo as it is works on a white background. If you want to have it placed on a different background, just click on the middle element and get rid of the white by simply deleting it. And you've got only the black elements in your logo. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.